right now. So guys, you know what? We're starting with a Shona, a Rwandan Mswanzi.
Shona. Okay. So maybe before I'll start to say that Africa is one. It is only that because of the Berlin Conference,
Ubuntu.
geographical boundaries were made. But because of the Bantu migration, we realized that there is similarities in the languages are there. Coming from the southern part of Africa, going to even to the north of Africa. Of course, in the north, they will speak in Arabic.
Yeah.
But one of the things that to actually really fascinates you is that looking at the mouse from southern Africa, maybe looking at Uganda and Rwanda, the similarities of the languages will make you appreciate that the Bantu migration.
Particularly the Shona versus Kinyarwanda.
Yeah, I think it was an issue of power where people were migrating. If you're not powerful, then you are chased away, then you're moving and you're moving and moving. So that caused all this migration. But I can give you some examples in these languages so that you can have an appreciation. In Shona we say Vana for children.
Yes.
Right? Which is the same in Kinyarwanda.
Yeah.
In Shona we say Muzukuru for grandchildren. Which is the same for grandchildren, Umzukuru in Kinyarwanda.
That's the Shona versus Kinyarwanda.
But the most interesting thing, we've got Amanzi, which is Ndebele dialect in Zimbabwe, which is water. But now to drink, we say it in Shona Kunwa. It's like we're mixing the Shona and the Ndebele. So in Kinyarwanda, say Kunwa Amanzi.
Kunywa Amas.
Amas, right? Which is Shona and Ndebele. So it's quite interesting that you see that two dialects in Zimbabwe being now in Kinyarwanda, and it's quite interesting. Maybe my other friend, did you want to say something?
Yeah.
It's really interesting. I also want to join this group.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Anyway, we may start with introducing each other. You already know me. You know your boy Rwaba is here for your cultural vlogger. Yeah, we're here. And let's start with the guy right here. Mzazi mwenyewe.
Me?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm a German guy, and I joined this group right now, and I just want to know these guys because he's looking quite insane. So it's nice to meet this guy.
Oh, praise yeah. Hey, what's wonderful to have you. How long have you been in Rwanda?
Since now 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
What have you catch up mostly interesting you for Rwandan culture?
Oh man, so for
we
me,
are cultural vlog, of course.
It is, man. So Rwanda is doing quite well in the culture and the history, and you see how it's going on in Rwanda. It's going straight forward, and Rwanda, or especially Kigali, is doing a great job. So yeah, let's catch it up.
Wow. We do appreciate what Germany have done for us rather than what the Belgians have brought to us. What you think could be a mutual benefit for now within, to fight against this concept of neo-colonialism that most people likely to bring?
Hey, bro, you're
it's
nice.
culture. It's intercultural. Don't worry.
No way.
Brothers.
Man, we just met each other. Let's talk afterwards. Huh?
Yeah, that's what I'd like.
No, that is good, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate. Really appreciate that.
One thing about Rwandan culture, please.
It's insane. Come and visit Rwanda because the culture is insane and it's so diverse and it's still unique in the world. Yeah?
Definitely. Have you ever visited like a museum or a certain place in Germany, city holding Rwandan culture and heritage over there?
Not yet. No. Not yet.
Whoa.
No. We need the experience from Africa. We need the experience from Rwanda to join the local people and see how it's going on.
Yeah.
There's one thing that I want to ask you.
Yeah.
I told you like the one that you're putting on the ad, right? I told you like in Zimbabwe they also put and they also put it. Can you explain to us what is this and what it is? You can explain your dressing,
Yeah. Oh gosh. Actually, you know what? Kenny's.
Yeah, they need to see it. They need to see it so that
Oh yeah,
they can make
yeah.
the people see it.
Let's do this. Let's free up the cam so that I may have well explained. Let's go. Mister here. This is in South African, mostly the Zulu nation. When you'd like to experience the South African culture, I mean, not as a country, but the Southern Africa, right? You have to get this. How do you call it? Can you please help me?
Well, I have to search for the name. I can't remember.
Yeah, but it's a Zura.
Yes, sir.
So here we go with Ijikubge. This is our kind of a necklace, a bead, kind of. Here we go with Shanana. You see, this is an outfit for Rwanda. Of course, if you're a man, don't go with Shanana without a stick. Here you go. And of course, as a culture of rock, we are very keen on preserving the Africa's cultural assets and fostering the social cohesion toward a sustainable heritage preservation. Please check out what IRAGE.RW concerning, and we do very keen about the fifth aspiration of Africa. I mean, Africa with strong cultural identity, common heritage, shared values and ethics. So, how is it great to meet such persons? Intercultural, interdialogue. Intercultural, intergenerational dialogue. This is what we're having now. So, guys, that's all about my daily African attire. This is how it look like. We've been in the Founders Friday and made these amazing creatures. There we go.
What did I think you have to say?
All right, thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Can I back here? Whoa.
You wanna flip?
Yeah, definitely. Wow. What you guys think ever foreign my land from Rwanda?
Rwanda is a very nice country. And one thing that I would like to tell you about Rwanda is how this country is developing. I came here in 2019, and I see the development in 2019. The policies are very good in terms of innovation. You see, we're here in Founders Friday.
Sure.
We're sharing the ideas about innovations, learning from what other people say that they've done, creating the necessary network. We ask some of the questions about how the problems, the challenges that they face. I think these problems are peculiar to each and every startup, which is very good because you also learn from others. It's very good to learn from others. Then that will really help you to really grow in terms of growing up in the business. Was one good quote that I like most is a candle loses nothing in lighting another candle. So the Founders Friday, what is simply doing, it's like it's a candle lighting us, sharing insights on things that we really need to look at. And this is the way Africa needs to go. African solutions for African problems. That is very key. You saw that on the platform. They say that they want to have customized Rwandan problems for Rwanda. And we're saying African problems for African solutions. Let's share the ideas. That is how Africa will go. And Rwanda is providing a very good platform. I'm very happy to be here. I'm learning, and I'm also very keen to take this knowledge to my country, Zimbabwe, so that we can also develop this ecosystem. Of course, a good thing now with an AI strategy, which is a very good thing that the government of Zimbabwe has done. I think it's the 16th country in Africa. I managed to launch, and enough respect to all the people who have participated in that. And now we're looking forward to take a step further. Of course, there are many startups. We've got some development, innovation hubs in each and every universities which the government have done very well. And also we've got some companies who are promoting innovations in the country, like Portals and some other African and some other companies. But of course, we might need to add this kind of like the Founders Friday, where big companies they come, or some of the startups that are successful, they share insights what kind of problem that they're facing. I think this is what we also need to take when I get back home. Yeah, sure.
Wow. What do you think other countries of Africa may learn from Rwanda in terms of policy making and setting that framework?
You see, the good thing about Rwanda, I think setting up a company takes 1 day. Right? I think the RGB and other thing, setting up a company takes 1 day. A company setting up must be done smoothly within a day. That is how we can boost investors coming in our own country. For example, we've got the one-stop shop where we need to put everything. We need to cut down the time that the investors need to take in setting up a company. We need the investors, and we need to promote our tourism, definitely. And remember, Zimbabwe was the #1 tourism destination in the country. Just need to visit the Victoria Falls, come to Zimbabwe, very nice places, very nice national parks. Yeah, you need to visit Zimbabwe, definitely.
Do you mind if I can add from your names, Tatenda?
Tatenda means thank you.
Wow. Anyway, let's go with some of the similarities. Here we sing Kuhamba.
Okay, still ask
what does it mean in the Shona language, as we've been talking about? The Shona versus Kinyarwanda.
Going forward. Kuhamba. We always move forward. Forwards ever, backwards never.
Anyway, literally, it may, even though in Kinyarwanda says to bury someone, but when you already do that, you keep moving forward.
No, let me tell you one thing. What you need to take it, I don't feel offended when people say bury someone. But it means when you're buried, you're going somewhere. Right? You might be going to hell, you might be going to the heaven. But it means you're going somewhere. I think it was done literally. But not what the people take it like. They take it in the actual meaning. Take it literally.
I see. Let's first have a talk with the guy, and maybe later you should come back. Anyway, we've been talking about some similarities about the Rwandan and the Shona.
Don't worry, when we have time next time, I'll share more insights. I'll tell you more about so many things.
What have you interested more along the Kinyarwanda language that it has some similarities with the Shona language?
Knowing the Chakama Franga, let's look for money.
Chakama Franga, this is it. Thank you. Wow. DHP's already out there.
I guess the people are going crazy.
You see? I know.
I guess the people are going crazy.
You see what we do? Can you check up about the curricular innovation we're doing?
You also share with me this?
Yeah. I think I've sent you the link.
No, I'm saying this one. You said
I'll send it to you. Yeah, because actually we're live on TikTok, and I should take some of the the shorts to send to you.
Oh, so many people following?
No, curriculum, most people know it's basic, but we raising awareness.
But enough respect to all the people that follow.
Definitely. Yeah. It's all about curricular innovation.
I was showing you what to do.
Yeah.
I'm very interested.
Wow, impressive.
This is platform. What you break.
Then you need to buy my book with running culture.
Yeah.
You need to get
In Rwanda. He was telling me today, living in the mountain. Where exactly? Tell telling about where you live.
Oh, man. We're basically here in Oscan. However, I'm living, the Mount Kigali. You know Mount Kigali?
Sure.
Have you ever visited the Fazenda?
Where you can ride horse.
Yeah. So the entire mountain over there, the Mount Kigali, considered as a holy mountain. Because when we back to our traditional religious or beliefs, that's where we've been heading to go. We are not those people who believes in a Christianism or something else, but we've been going there to look for heart, because we know that the heart is what always leads something. So we've been going there to asking for God that may, keep us strengthened around this. And wow, this is what was the intercultural doing.
I also write books in Rwanda and Rwanda culture also.
You see?
But for space, but I've customized them to the Rwandan culture. Okay. So I'll share also got another book for space, because I'm expressing in the other book is on Amazon. So but I will also just read it's also there in German, Amazon,
Yeah.
I'll share with you my website. Also share with you my website.
And you know the best part of it is coming from Zimbabwe. They have a language, local language called Shona, and they have some similarities with the Kinyarwanda. Can you imagine that? The Bantu language interjunction over there.
I'll say no scanner so that you remember.
Now we'll add some.
Yeah, you can add something that makes you remember. But I'll share with you my website. So, like my brand name is this one.
So guys, this is all about intercultural, intergenerational dialogue. And here we go. We've been through the Founders Friday, and that was amazing. It was amazing. Always the cultural innovation. We are cream. Yeah, actually, the big man. turi kugera mu isi y'ikoranabuhanga, abantu bagisharinga ibintu bita ngo business card, babwire mu isi ya digital ikintu tugomba gukora. Easy link iri hano kukorohereza ibintu byo kugendana ngo ibikarita n'ibikinana. No more.
I've also written the Rwandan version for kids.
You see? A good teacher.
Nice. Okay.
So it's also in the Rwandan culture. So you also learn Rwandan culture. The houses, you know.
Uh-huh.
I wish I had shown you like
There is a lawful connection.
like you see the cows.
Mm.
You call Inyambo.
The
How do you
brown-
call
the
it
brown
in Shona?
colours.
How do you call it Shona?
You know,
Shona means Shona.
Inyambo Mombe.
Ng'ombe. That's the same as the
So it's
Swahili ng'ombe.
So I'll show you. Like I'm launching the book here in Rwanda.
This is what I do.
So I've customized a book for
With the link people.
Rwanda.
And of
I'm also
course,
doing for other African countries. I'm doing for South Africa. I'm doing for Namibia. It's like space education. How it is. Because we don't just admit it. But I'm doing it in storytelling in the African setting. So I'm sending a picture of that. That space is not far from me. There's a big space.
Zimbabwe.
It's available. Yes, I'll bring it home. No, the kids' book is not yet on Amazon. The one that is on Amazon, I share my vision of building our country's space satellite. That is the stellar space. You see this one? Yeah. And the t-shirt and the cap.
Yeah. Full blinded.
I don't joke.
Yeah, no joke.
So he sent me a message.
Here for business.
Only 6 months in all the country.
So, do you use LinkedIn?
Yeah.
Let's get connected. Professional person.
So he sent me a message. He sent me a message.
Can you go to the? No, I'm not in it.
Did you send message?
Not yet.
I just say. Because sometimes we forget when we get home, we be like, what is this?
See.
That's the good one.
But a critical one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not so many. It's okay.
And that's the part of
It's
network.
not about the many.
So see you guys. Nakoze kubana natwe Evan. Always your cultural vlog tuari kugira tubereke intercultural dialogue was concerned. So it was a pleasure to have you along and be blessed. All the best. Yeah, all the best. And of course, cultural vlog tuari kugira tubereke. Aiwa. Nuko dusohoka kugira gufata
I'm doing something for Africa.
And two, the part of connection, part of networking. See you then. Mukagende boko.
Remember. Sometimes we want to come
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Been a TikTok. See you guys next time. Your cultural